more than welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today is a new pattern day and oh, I just love this squishiness. It is a crochet pattern and it's called the Ålesund blanket. That's a Norwegian word, so the A actually has a little kind of hole, if you want to call it that, at the top, and that produces the O sound, and Ålesund is a place in Norway along the coast. For purposes of people actually being able to find this pattern, I will just spell it kind of the Germanic, English way, whatever, just with an A. So yes, back to the pattern. Super squishy. I always like designing cushions, this might sound obvious, to fit a cushion pad, because I don't know if you've ever done a cushion pattern, then it just wants you to stuff it and sew it up, but I like it to fit an actual cushion pad that you can easily get, just in case you ever need to replace it. And also, I love the back as well, that you can easily remove it as well, because some cushion patterns just tell you to sew it up and then assume it's never going to go flat, but no. We're going to use this cushion, and you know what, I really enjoyed both making and designing it because we had a little heat wave in the UK, so I just sat outside and I watched all the fuzzy bees and butterflies and designed this beautiful cushion. So the reason it's called the Ålesund blanket, if I'm pronouncing it right, I've only been learning Norwegian for 2 years, is I got the wool there, a bit like the Dublin cushion, nice and original, that's where I got the wool. And that's just the joy of going into a wool shop because, I picked these colours and, if I say so, beautiful, and my friends complimented them as well, and I got home and I'm like, why have I bought green and blue? Like, you know, on paper I'd never put them together, but I really like the look of it. And of course you can use your own palette, yarn that you've got in as a stash buster. It is suitable for DK and sport weight, and a beautiful granny stripe crochet pattern. And it's to fit a 50cm times 30cm cushion pad, but of course you could make it shorter, longer, wider, whatever. And then if you've never done it before, it is super easy as well to do the button band. As you can see, I was actually running out of yarn and, you know, haven't really got it in the budget to knit back to Norway for it. So we did actually end up with a happy accident of this beautiful ombre. And of course, you don't have to, you know, buy this specific Norwegian wool. It's a merino wool actually, it is beautiful, but I totally want to make loads more and will be using, because I'm in the UK, whatever DK yarn I've got to hand. Definitely stash busting those leftovers, and of course the US or the countries, sport weight is the one you're going for. Also got an excuse to raid your button stash as well. It's a nice, just gentle, meditative pattern. As always, I like to design them so, you know, beginners can comfortably do it. A bit of a challenge, but you know, you're not tearing your hair out or anything, you'll achieve something by the end. But also confident crocheters can, you know, improve and learn on those finishing techniques, and also just have something nice and meditative to do that's not too easy and boring either. In case you're wondering, it used 300 grams of yarn. All the details are, you know, on Ravelry and the pattern, etc. Speaking of which, if you'd like to get this pattern, it's over on our Ravelry. All the links will be below. We'll do a post on the website, and also available digitally on Etsy, and also on the Etsy is where I do physical paper copy patterns, which I can post worldwide as well. As you can tell, I'm absolutely chuffed as nuts with it, and yeah, I think there's going to be a whole colony of them, of the Alesund Cushion pattern. Well, thank you ever so much for your company today. Please do consider giving us a like, thumbs up, subscribe and all that good stuff so we can continue to make more patterns. So all that remains is to say thank you and take care.